Today, Sarah and I are going to make something very delicious. It's a nice summer dish. We just picked these eggplant in the garden. We're gonna cut this off, and these are called Torrette di Melanzane. So we're gonna need this eggplant, which we'll cut in slices about this thick. We already have the cast iron skillets outside in the oven to heat up. We're gonna stack it on top of each other like this, and then slice the tomatoes as well. Here we have some nice plump tomatoes, and they are perfectly ripe. We're gonna slice these as well into slices about this thick. And boy, is this gonna be a wonderful dish. Very refreshing for the summertime. It can either be eaten the way we're gonna fix it today, or it could also be baked once stacked. Then we're also gonna use some fresh basil that we picked in the garden. The mozzarella has already been sliced, as well as the tomatoes and the eggplant. And now I'm just gonna show you this basil. Look at this gorgeous fresh basil. I just want to encourage you to grow basil. Even if you don't have a backyard, you can put it on a balcony, close to a window. It is so easy to grow and so nice to have fresh. All right, we need to put our eggplant on the grill. Our gas oven has been preheating, and now we're going to be able to take this cast iron skillet out and place the eggplant right on here. And here we go. Just like this. These guys will go back into the oven, and then we'll also take the other skillet out and do the same with that one. Let's place this guy in and take the other one out. Once again, we're gonna place these slices here, and then after a little while, we'll flip them around so that both sides get grilled well. So this is actually a griddle, not a skillet. There we go. And this one will go in as well. And now we'll be able to close the door. I almost forgot, something that would also be super good is if we put this garlic through the zester and add olive oil and salt, and then we will brush the grilled eggplant slices, and that will make it so good. And the reason I'm putting it through the zester, it's gonna be very nice and fine. We're gonna add olive oil as well as salt. And this is going to be just a very special touch on top. Mix everything up, and we're ready to go flip our slices. Look at here. They are absolutely perfect and ready to come out. Just a quick brushing. And then we'll flip them around. Oops. Oh, does it smell good? Back in the oven. And now we're going to take these guys out. Once again, a quick brushing. And this is just going to bring it to a whole new level. And we're about ready to flip them around and place them back into the oven. If you guys could only smell the aroma coming from here, it is so delicious. And these are going to be a most flavorful dish. Let's place this back in and let the oven do its magic. Let's check them out. I'm going to flip them around, and oh yes, look at this beautiful caramelization. They are going to be incredibly delicious. Finally, time for the assembly. So now, right on top of this, we're going to place a slice of mozzarella on which we'll place a slice of tomato, just a little bit of salt, a nice leaf of basilico, and then once again, eggplant, mozzarella, tomato, and basilico. Well, let's put a little bit of salt right here on the tomato. And we're going to do this one more time. Here we have our first torretta di melanzane. Look at this. And we're going to put a nice drizzle of olive oil across the plate as well as on top, and then finish it off with a drizzle of good balsamic vinegar. To top it all off, we're going to get this 2 little basil leaves, and here we are with a nice antipasto, or even a summer dish that is going to be extremely satisfying. All right, and here we go. Cut through these nice slices of goodness, pure goodness. And let's look inside. Look at all these gorgeous layers of fresh ingredients. And I'm going to wish you un buon appetito.